Hello my friends from YouTube. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I bring the bobbin thread up on my Gammill, on my long arm. And also how to put this thread where it needs to go, which is in there. So the way I do that is I just take a regular stitch without holding this thread. I'm not holding this thread or anything on the top thread. Take one stitch, move my machine a little bit back, pull my top thread, and my bobbin thread is going to come out. And I pull both of it. I pull the bobbin thread and I hold both of them at the same time and bring my needle almost on top of the little hole where the bobbin thread came out. And I take two stitches, and sometimes it grabs and sometimes it doesn't. It already grabbed. So you can see when you pull it and it doesn't move, that means it's already tied. So I'm going to take another one just in case. Then I put my needle down. Once I pull here and it's not going anywhere, then that's when I put my needle down. Then we can start stitching. And that's not going to go anywhere. Okay, let's say I finish. So I leave my needle down. Of course, we're going to trim our little tails. We come over here, we trim our little tails. That's already tied on the bottom. And so when I'm going to cut the thread, I take 2 stitches. But first I bring this up, grab my tail, and go 1 and 2. Bring the bobbin thread up and cut. And that's it. And now it's tied in the beginning and the end. Thank you for watching.